Yeah, hi. We own the 2019 28 MKS Transcend. Yeah, we love the 28 MKS. It's a great couples trailer. The layout is so spacious, lots of storage. It's really the light color interior that really makes it feel homey, and we're able to add our own touches, and I think everything about it is really laid out so nicely and convenient. I don't have any complaints at all. We have the outside kitchen, and that's a real plus for us on the 28 MKS because we don't have children. We didn't need the bunkhouse, but cooking outside is great to keep the grilling outside and enjoying the outdoors.
And we actually love the floor plan. It really fits us well. It's a beautiful unit, and we fell in love with it as soon as we've seen it.
Yeah, we've had great experience with Grand Design customer service as well. We had an issue while on the road, and we had to have a component replaced, and I got in touch with Grand Design, and they said no problem, we'll send you the refund check for that expense, sorry for the inconvenience, and they followed up with an email to make sure that we were happy with our experience. So we really appreciate their attention to the customer service.
Yeah, they seem to go way above and beyond what they need to do. We've heard of people that actually had warranty issues that they get great care of, and people even, that's warranties even run out, they still take great care of people.